Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add auto captions on video in Canva. First, navigate to your browser and search for Canva. Now click the first link to visit the Canva website. Next, select the designs of video on the right side and then choose the video size. Here, go to the Uploads option in the left panel. To upload a video, click the Upload Files button. Also, you can drag a video from your device and drop it in the Canva design. After uploading, select and resize the video on the timeline. Drag the corners of the video on the timeline and trim your video to get the required part. Once you are done, go to the Apps tab on the left side panel. Then search for subtitles in the bar and choose the ones such as animated subtitles. Now click Open and start exporting your design to generate subtitles. After that, select the file type and pages and then click Export. It'll start reading your video, so pick an animation style from the given options. Next, it'll allow you to select the size, font, and position of the subtitles. Click the Generate button at the bottom to start generating the subtitles of the video. You have to wait for it to transcribe the audio. It can take a few seconds. After subtitles, you can check your text and create a video by clicking Generate Video with Subtitles. It'll now start creating a video. This can take a few moments. Once it is created, this will appear in the History section. Next, select this video and click the Add to Design button. It'll be added to the design. Drag the corners to fit this video on the design. Finally, play this video to ensure the correctness of the subtitles of the video. You can edit this video from the Magic Media section and then export it to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.